All right, so this is 3.8, plant cell structure. Please, I hope this helps. This is the last section for this assignment, and then you'll be able to move on. All right, do plants have cells like yours? Yes, your cells are actually very similar to plant cells. For example, they are both eukaryotic cells, both contain DNA in the nucleus, and both make proteins in ribosomes. However, plant cells also differ in some crucial ways from your own cells. Plant cells. Even though plants and animals are both eukaryotes, plant cells differ in some ways from animal cells. See the figure below. Plant cells have a large central vacuole, are surrounded by a cell wall, and have chloroplasts, which are the organelles of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis converts the sun's solar energy into chemical energy. This chemical energy, which is the carbohydrate glucose, serves as food for the plant. All right, so then here we have the diagram, and you can see most of these organelles look similar and have similar names and do similar things. There's a few different ones like the chloroplast and that large central vacuole. So let's read the caption. A plant cell has several features that make it different from an animal cell, including a cell wall, huge vacuoles, and chloroplasts which photosynthesize. Vacuoles. First, plants have a large central vacuole that holds a mixture of water, nutrients, and waste. A plant's cell's vacuoles can make up to 90% of the cell's volume. The large central vacuole essentially stores water. In animal cells, vacuoles are much smaller. Cell wall. Second, plant cells have a cell wall, while animal cells do not. See the figure below. The cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane but does not keep substances from entering or leaving the cell. A cell wall gives the plant cell strength and protection. All right, so I'm going to read the caption here. In this photo of plant cells taken from the light microscope, you can see green chloroplast as well as a cell wall around each cell. So then this box kind of shape is the cell wall, and these little green things are the chloroplast. Plastids. A third difference between plant and animal cells is that plants have several kinds of organelles called plastids, and there are several different kinds of plastids in plant cells. For example, chloroplasts are needed for photosynthesis. Leucoplasts can store starch or oil. Brightly colored chromoplasts give some flowers and fruits their yellow, orange, or red color. It is the presence of chloroplasts and the ability to photosynthesize that is one of the defining features of a plant. No animal or fungi can photosynthesize, and only some protists are able to. The photosynthetic protists are the plant-like protists represented mainly by unicellular algae. 3.8 Summary. Plant and animal cells differ in that plants have a large central vacuole, while animals have small vacuoles. Plant cells also have cell walls and plastids, while animal cells do not. Again, I'm not reading the Explore More. I encourage you to check out the video because, again, it may help you understand some of the differences, but I am not assigning that. I did, however, assign the 3.8 review. What are the three structures that are found in plant cells but not in animal cells? What is the role of the chloroplast? And what is the main role of the plant vacuole? All right, so that's the end of 3.8 and the end of this assignment. So once you have answered all the review questions in the Google form, please click Submit on the Google form and Turn in on the Google assignment. Have a nice day. Stay curious.